She's here, my little assistant. Hello, my beautiful friends. Let me show you the calendar that we have here. It is from last year, so possibility that you can't purchase it anymore. It's huge. However, I'm very sorry I never got to open it last year, although I was the most excited about this one. Stabilo brand, you know me and my Stabilo, my woodies, you know, the crayons that I love to bits. I'm pretty sure there'll be some inside, but I just wanted to say that I was last year super excited, and I'm even more excited now, especially that I have my little assistant joining me for calendar opening. I am very excited, and I do believe that the Smalley is very much excited as well, right? You're gonna help me out?
Yes.
We already opened 2 other calendars from different brands, so check those videos if you haven't seen them. And I can't focus when she's around. I can't focus. So I'm super excited, and I hope you are excited as well.
Can we start opening, please?
Yes, we can. So let's turn the calendar around.
I'll help you a bit. Oh, here's one.
Yes, and let me just show you how big it is next to Hannah. Do you wanna? Yeah,
I'm a bit the same height.
You bit the same.
But my head is to here, and this one is to here.
It's a huge calendar. It's super pretty as well, I have to say. And as you can tell, it's a little bit ripped on the side because it was waiting from last year. So it was moved from left to right, and top to bottom. It was just all over the studio. So I'm glad to have it actually away from my studio, because it's taking so much space as well. And I'm very excited. So without any chats, let's just see. Yeah? You help me out? Wow.
Whoa.
I actually have never opened it, so please know it that it's a big surprise. Oh wow, to all of us.
Oh, we have one.
Oh, there's some envelope in it. Oh wait. Oh wait, what's that?
I think we can do whatever.
Wait. This is here. Do you know what, Hannah? This could be one of the boxes already. Is it? No. There are boxes in there. Wow.
Are you joking me?
Look at that. Will we show it to everyone? Look at that.
Where's
gorgeous
number
boxes. Number 1 is...
I can't see
it's here. Oh wait. Let me just see this first. No. Patience. Let's see what's inside here first, because I'm pretty sure that you will be able to... Oh, it's a... Is it in Germany, actually, in German language? Possibly, because I think I got it from German website. I'm right? Yes, I am. That was last year from, I think, German website or something. Okay, we nearly see what's inside. So yes, let's see what's in here. But I'm gonna pause and I'll be back to you. You help me out? You stopped the video. We're the best team, Hannah. So what's in here? Let's have a look. This one is a little booklet. It can show us what to do, how to draw, what sort of cute things we can do. Oh, from the egg cardboard, little Christmas trees. Would you like to do that? Daddy, we need to get egg cardboard for Hannah. Oh, we will have a look through that. That's awesome. Now, what else is here? So we have some... Wow, Hannah, look at it. This is like something to... I don't know what's that, but I think... To cut and color?
Or something.
Wow.
And stick, maybe.
Yes. Stick color, and we have... Oh, look at that. We can make maybe some decorations from it for the...
Christmas tree?
Yes, and maybe actually we're gonna have a look inside that. Wow,
and
there's so much stuff. Look, Hannah, there is this huge thing. Oh, there is numbered. We need to check the numbers, because look at that. Wow, it's like a big poster that I think we can...
Color.
I think I'm so glad that we never opened it last year, because this year you're gonna have so much fun with it. right?
We can color it.
Yes. Okay. You excited?
Yes, I'm very excited to color it.
Yes.
Maybe today we could color it.
Maybe, or maybe we leave it closer to Christmas. When there's Christmas approaching, we can then do that. Okay, let's move this aside. And let's start opening the boxes. We had a quick peek on the boxes, didn't we? And are they cute boxes?
Yes.
They are the cutest. Look at these. Now,
they have
little, yes, they have little pictures. So let's start from number 1, Hannah. Go on.
Very hard.
Show everyone the box first. This is so cute, right? There is a little...
How you open it?
Yeah, there's a little teddy bear. Oh, we have some markers. So this is Stabilo Power something. So brown and black. Wait. Oh, okay. That's too fast. A little gingerbread man. So we have... The boxes are super cute. I'm gonna keep it for... I thought I'm gonna get rid of the box, but I think seeing as how cute it is... Do you want to show it a bit closer? Look. To show how cute it is, I think I'm gonna keep it for like next time. So we have the markers. That's a good start. Wow, we have copy. Oh, another markers. I like them. I like them.
Oh, it's a little Christmas tree.
Yes. Ta-da!
Hey, what's this way?
What's that? That is Stabilo, our favorite 3-in-1 Woody, right? Do you like these crayons? Yes.
Where is number 6?
Is it 6? No. Number 4. Number 4.
What's number 4? Oh, yeah.
Yes, it's there.
Oh, look, penguin. So cute.
Go on. I think this video is totally stolen by Hannah, I have to say. Oh, wow. There's another one, Hanushka. Now, so we have some Stabilo pen brush. Oh, it's pen brush. Oh, wow. I like that. So we have...
Number 5.
Pen brush. Hannah, where are you rushing?
I don't know.
I don't know. So we have pen brushes.
Because I'm very, very, very excited.
Very excited. I can
can't
see that.
wait.
Will you show it to everyone the box, actually, Hannah? Who's that on the box?
Snowman.
It's a little snowman. This is the cutest box, the cutest advent calendar. And we have some crayons, black and red for Christmas, which is great. And these are nice, I have to say. Oh wow, more of these. So different colors, but this is not brush pen, is it? It is brush pen as well. So we have brush pens, red and green. So that's what we have right now. Super awesome colors. I'm just trying to see.
Don't know which one goes up.
Okay, next one. Next one is number... I think 7, possibly.
Oh yeah, 7.
Oh yeah, 7. Show it to everyone, please. Who's that? Who's that, Hannah?
Squirrel.
Squirrel.
Oh, I opened it. It's something gold.
Something gold? It is! Wow! Oh, these are gold markers. Gold and silver. I like that.
So now...
So, there we
now
go.
which?
8. Number 8, this one. Oh, a lollipop. There is more colors of these sort. So we have
now
this. So
which one? Now which?
This is green and red and black. So plenty of markers. Number 9, I think. There you go. Oh, a bunny.
What it is? What it is?
A red. Oh wow. So we're gonna have the whole selection, I think, of colors of these. I like that. So we have orange.
So which one?
I like that.
No, it's this one.
Number, I don't know, wait. Number 11. So this one.
It's a clock and
not clock.
And a little mouse.
A little mouse with the bell. Hanya, gently. Okay, there's more colors of these. So we're gonna probably end up with a few sets of markers.
Is it this
I don't
one?
know. These were just now.
Is it please this one? Say it please.
No, it's this one, 12. It's number 12, a little heart.
I have to show that.
You have to show that, yes. So pretty. This is so pretty, actually. No. Oh. 2 colors of these. So we had gold and silver, and now we have the metallic trio deco. I like that.
So
You can keep all the supplies, Hannah. These are all yours. Did you know that? Yes, these are all for you, Hannah. Now number 13. So you can keep all of these and use them maybe.
I'll share with you too.
You share with me. Thank you. What's inside there? Oh, green color. I don't know if I have that green. Possibly. Is it? I'll check. Out of curiosity, I'll check what green I have, because there is green. No, it's Is it different? Is it different? It is different color. No way.
Yes.
Is it different? It is. Wait. I'll definitely have to check this now. This is there, and this is this one. No, it's the same color.
But
Oh, it's the same color. I just thought it's different because it's different number. But anyway, I love it anyway.
I think it's a bit lighter, maybe.
Bit lighter, maybe.
Yeah, it's a bit lighter.
Bit light. Yeah.
So now which one?
So 13. What's after 13? 12, 13, 4,
14.
14. There you go. A little teddy bear. Look at the teddy bear.
Yes.
Nobody saw it. Teddy bear like this. Is it
no,
teddy bear? It is. Oh wow! These are highlighting kind of pen. Green.
So now which one?
So it's the same as the other colors, the other type. Now, oh, we missed 10, Hannah. We somehow forgot about 10. Oh, sorry.
It's a little pine cone.
It's a pine cone.
They're all mixed up.
Yeah, that's okay. So we have some crayons, Stabilo aqua color. Wow, watercolor pencil. And we have these aquacolor pencil, and we have this metallic trio deco. I like these. We need to check them out, Hannah. Are you excited to check these colors?
Yes, I'm very excited. Now which one?
15.
15. Ooh, well, these look like presents
Yes.
because they have like stickers.
Oh wow, that's a black color.
So
Scribble. Wow, interesting. I didn't know that there's so many different supplies. Now, number 16. There you go.
oh, little cookies.
I think I'm gonna use that and pack something else this year for Hannah.
For me?
Maybe, yeah. And your sister. Oh, these are so pretty. So we have these colors and then these colors. Wow. These are beautiful, fantastic supplies. Okay.
And these are all for me, but I'll still share.
Very good. Potato. No, it's orange. It's orange.
I don't know if it's
Number 17.
17. Hey, come on, mister.
Wow. So we have some of these.
Tell if it's this one.
Okay, interesting choice. No, this one is, next one is 18, this one.
Yes, the biggest one.
Biggest one. How about showing the artwork? Oh, we have this color. So we're gonna have this set of different colors. Sorry, of these. Okay, and then 19. There you go.
Open.
Oh, lovely aquarelle colors. Okay, Hannah, you're shaking my table. Now, there we go.
I really love shaking.
Now, number 22. No, I mean 20. The little stars. You want to show the stars? How pretty. Now, here you go.
Open.
On both sides. Woohoo! Ah! Oh, no way. Okay. Now, number 20 and is 21. Is this one. Nie rzucaj.
Okay.
Please, because you may break them. This is little horsey.
Horsey.
Oops.
It's okay.
It's a rocking horse. Oh!
Rocking.
Wow,
rocking,
so
rocking.
many in this one. So we have more colors and metallic gray, silver. Wow, there's so many supplies that we definitely don't need that many.
Yes.
Right? Between all of your supplies. A little birdie.
Buddy.
Oh,
We got
Yes.
Do you have one of those?
I'm sure I do. I'm sure I do. And now 23.
What is it? What is it? What is it?
This, oh, so wait, we need to show. So it's a white watercolor and a
And a
pink
pink
one as
one.
well. And the last one, number 24. Wow, this one is big. Oh, so many colors. Oops, even more. Wow, there is tons of supplies. So, nie rzucaj, Hania, kredkami. You're gonna break them inside.
No, we forgot about
No,
one.
we did it. So we have a set of these.
Oh yeah.
We have a set of, you help me to divide these, Hannah.
Okay.
Set, nie, czekaj, nie tak. Set of these. This one can go here. And here. No.
I'll get all the
here.
star ones.
Okay, so these are going here. The wood is Stabilo. Oops. Oh no, all the boxes fell down. That's okay. So we have
They're
them
falling on the ground.
by themselves, or are you helping them?
Some of them went by herself.
By themselves. Okay, and we have this, and we have. Nie rzucaj kredkami. I asked you not to throw the pencils, please, because you're
They're
gonna break them.
But they're mine.
It doesn't matter because they may break them inside, and then you'll be trying to make them work, and they'll be broken inside. You do not throw the pencils, please, Hannah. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, so we have pencils and more pencils of these watercolor, and this one as well. And this one is the colorful one.
Which colorful
Very
one?
interesting selection of supplies and colors. Honestly, we only have the Woody Stabilo 3-in-1. These we don't have the rest of, so it'd be interesting to check it out. Now, do you know what we may do? I'll get you, Hannah, the page, and how about trying out these metallics? I'm very excited about them. Would you like to try them? There you go.
These are my favorite.
I'd say so. There you go.
I'm gonna try this
No.
one.
Wait. Wow. Can I see as well? Can I try? Thank you.
And I'm gonna try the gold.
Beautiful.
I'm gonna do.
Wow. Are they that metallic as they look? A tiny bit. Not extremely, but tiny. Maybe they should be opened last year in case they got dry. No? Dawaj. Oh, this one is shiny. There you go. And we didn't try these three.
I would like to try this one.
Okay, and I'll try this one. And the blue one. Super. You like them? Well done, Hannah. Oh, swirl, swirl. Lovely.
Swirl, swirl.
So they are not as... This is watercolor paper. They're not as shiny as they look. I don't know why. Maybe we should shake them before. So anyway, my beautiful friend Hannah, did you like the calendar? Did you?
I want to open one more.
I don't have any more calendars as yet.
Not even the box one.
No, this is not calendar. But thank you so very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed a little Stabilo calendar, a huge Stabilo calendar actually. I think it was lovely, and it would be.
We try the other ones too.
It would be, yes, it would be quite amazing to, I think, try. There you go. I think it would be quite amazing to open this like every day, something small, and I think it would be nice. Opening everything in one go, obviously it's not the same fun, but it's just for the purpose of the video, so you can see it. So yes, okay, I'm gonna wrap up at that, finish here, and get the supplies together in some box now, because there's tons of them. And thank you so much for watching, and we'll chat to you very soon. Bye! Bye bye.